In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments in Adobe Acrobat. By following these steps, you can easily annotate your PDF documents, providing feedback, suggestions, or highlighting critical information that you or others might need. Whether you're collaborating with a team or just making personal notes, this guide will walk you through the process. First things first, go ahead and launch Adobe Acrobat on your computer. This powerful software not only allows you to view PDFs, but also to edit and annotate them as required. Once it's up and running, you'll need to open the PDF file that you wish to annotate. Navigate to the location of your file on your computer and load it into Adobe Acrobat, where your main editing will take place. Now that your PDF is open, direct your attention to the floating toolbar. Here, you'll find a variety of tools that Adobe offers for document manipulation. Look for the Add Comment option, which is your gateway to inserting notes and annotations throughout your document. Clicking this will enable the commenting tools, giving you access to various options for marking up your PDF. At this point, it's essential to choose the type of comment you want to add. Adobe Acrobat provides several options, each catering to different annotation needs. You can insert sticky notes for general remarks, add text comments for more detailed explanations, highlight sections of text to underscore important points, or even use drawing tools for visual comments. Select the type that best suits the nature of your input. With your preferred comment type selected, it's now time to add your comments directly into the PDF. Click on the area of the document where you wish to insert your comment. If you've chosen a sticky note, for example, you'll see a small speech bubble icon that you can position. For text highlights or drawings, simply click and drag over the desired sections. This flexibility allows you to tailor your annotations to fit the specific content of your PDF. Once your comments are in place, remember that nothing is set in stone. You might find that you need to make adjustments. Maybe a comment needs to be moved, edited, or even removed. To do this, simply click on the comment and adjust it as necessary. Adobe Acrobat keeps this process intuitive, ensuring you can refine your annotations with ease. Finally, don't forget to save your changes once you've completed your annotations. Go to the File menu and click on Save to ensure all your hard work is preserved. By saving, you secure all the comments and modifications you've made, making it easy to share or revisit later. And there you have it, a straightforward way to add comments in Adobe Acrobat. This skill can greatly enhance your ability to communicate effectively within PDFs, so I hope you find it helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy annotating!